Now, today is one of many of our Thanksgiving shows, and I think something everybody is really thankful for is not having to stress on Thanksgiving and maybe make something ahead of time. Well, today's show is the entire Thanksgiving meal made ahead. All right, so over here, I'm just doing...
Smells really good right there.
I'm just making turkey gravy. The number one thing to remember, whether you're doing make ahead or cooking that day, is always keep stock in a box. Turkey stock is available this time of year, of course, or chicken stock is a great go-to. Stock in a box is your friend. It can fix anything. All you do to make the gravy is equal amounts, flour and butter. Per quart, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour. Toast it to a light brown color. When it starts to get a little nutty, add black pepper, your stock. I never add those, gravy accoutrement things, right? Gravy enhancers, right? I add a little Worcestershire sauce because it's delicious and it's fun to say Worcestershire. I just thicken mine up and I add a little Worcestershire sauce, and you can always make some more if you get your turkey drippings going, great, but this is your go-to. And you can make this days. Just put it in a deli bucket, shove it in the fridge. Takes 5 minutes to make, by the way. For your gravy, do it days ahead, throw it in the fridge. Last minute, I do what my mom called glossing the sauce. You take 1 egg yolk, throw it in a bowl. Take a ladle of gravy to temper the egg and raise the temperature. Add it to the egg yolk, then add the egg yolk back to this, and it'll make it glossy and shiny and extra rich and delicious. Yum.